Well, hello everyone. Good day. What a sunny day in Edmonton, Alberta. It's time for another house tour. This home has it all. 4 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom in the basement. You got a front office or sitting area, but you gotta check it out. First, the kitchen. What a lovely area for family to get together. Do you like dinners, suppers, desserts, fun and laughter? You can have it all here. Watch mom and dad make the dinner while the kids are doing their homework. I want you to come and check it out. 190 43 49 Avenue, Edmonton, Alberta. And I'm your agent, Loida Lumanlan, Remax River City, 780-953-1062. Have a wonderful day, everyone. I'll be waiting for you to come and check it out.